If you want to recover disappeared notes on iOS 18, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. First of all, go ahead to the main settings and then go ahead to your account on Apple. Alright, and just try to pin down iCloud. I'm gonna click iCloud right here and basically click save to the iCloud. Alright, and as you can see right here, this is my storage, right? And I'm gonna just go back right here. It says app synced or syncing to iCloud Drive. I'm gonna see 2 apps, and I'm gonna just try to pin down the note, right? And I'm gonna just see right here, this is the notes, and as you can see, note has been synced to my iCloud. If it's enabled, then disable and re-enable with the option delete from iPhone, right? You can just go ahead and click delete from my iPhone and then resync it again. Ensure that your iPhone is connected with stable Wi-Fi connection or mobile data. Okay, hope you will get the fix for the ongoing issue of notes. All right, if you still facing that same issue, what you're gonna do, just go back to the main settings, and then what you're gonna do, go ahead to the general, and then go ahead to the iPhone storage. All right, and you're gonna try to pin down notes. So I'm gonna type right here, notes, click on it, and what you're gonna do, you're gonna upload the app, and by uploading the app, you're gonna release some of the storage used by the app, but it will keep its documents and data, and then you're gonna be able to reinstall it again instead of the uploading after you confirm it. Okay, so let's know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.